Long ago, in a small town, there lived a young man named Arjun. Arjun was intelligent and full of big dreams. Sometimes he imagined becoming a great businessman, sometimes a famous personality. But he had one terrible habit. He kept postponing everything. He woke up late, left his studies unfinished, made excuses for work, and spent most of his time gossiping with friends. Whenever someone advised him, "Arjun, take care of your time. Youth never comes back," he would laugh and reply, "Oh, life is long. I still have plenty of time." One day, while wandering lazily, Arjun walked through an old, narrow street. There he saw a strange shop, a shop filled with clocks. Every clock was ticking, as if whispering a secret. Curious, Arjun went inside. An old clockmaker sat there, his eyes deep and shining. "Welcome, son," the clockmaker said. "These clocks belong to human lives. Every tick is a moment of their life, and when the clock stops, their life ends." Arjun laughed. "Old man, this sounds like a story. Time never really ends." The clockmaker smiled and pointed to the corner. "Look there. That golden clock is yours." Arjun froze. His golden clock was ticking much faster than all the others. While the rest moved slowly, his was racing ahead. Frightened, Arjun cried, "Why is my clock running so fast?" The clockmaker replied, "Because you are wasting your golden time. When a man wastes time, it slips away faster. But when he uses it wisely, time slows down. It becomes meaningful, rich, and long." Arjun didn't believe him and walked away, but the image of that golden clock stayed in his mind. Years passed. Arjun did not change his habits. His friends moved ahead. Some got good jobs, some started businesses. But Arjun remained stuck in the same place, in laziness and empty dreams. One night, sitting alone, he thought about his wasted years. Suddenly, he remembered the clockmaker's shop. He ran to it. Inside, his golden clock was still there, but now the hands were trembling, ready to stop at any moment. Arjun panicked and shouted, "No! Please give me more time! I haven't even started living yet! Slow down my clock!" The clockmaker said softly, "Son, you were given plenty of golden hours, but you lost them in laziness and daydreams. Time once gone never returns. If you truly want to change, you must change now. Remember, every tick is deciding your future." These words struck Arjun's heart like lightning. That night, he made a decision. He would never waste time again. The very next morning, for the first time, he woke up before sunrise. He opened his books, started studying, learned new skills, and worked hard on his ideas. Whenever he felt tired or discouraged, he remembered his golden clock, the one that could stop at any moment. His friends laughed and mocked him. "Arjun, you'll never change." But Arjun whispered to himself, "Every tick counts." Slowly, his efforts began to bear fruit. He started small jobs, then built a business. People began to respect him. Soon, children in the village came to him saying, "Brother, teach us how to use time wisely too." Years later, Arjun returned to the clockmaker's shop. The old man was gone, but his golden clock was still there. This time, its hands moved calmly, steady, and alive. Because Arjun was no longer wasting his golden hours, he was living them with purpose and discipline. Time is the most precious treasure we have. Money lost can be earned again. Opportunities missed may come back. But time once gone never returns. So don't waste your golden hours in laziness, fear, or procrastination. Start now, because every tick is shaping your future.